Facer Watch Faces is a popular Android application designed to allow users to customize and personalize their smartwatch displays with a vast array of watch face designs. The app provides access to an extensive library featuring thousands of high-quality artistic watch faces created by talented designers, encompassing various styles from classic analog to sleek modern digital formats. Users can easily browse, download, and apply different watch faces, enabling them to express their individuality or match their watches to different outfits and occasions. Facer offers advanced customization tools, allowing users to modify existing watch faces by adjusting elements such as color, layout, and functional widgets for time, date, battery life, weather, and fitness tracking. This flexibility ensures users can create a personalized experience that aligns with their preferences and lifestyle. The app also incorporates a community aspect, where users can create, share, and discover new designs, fostering a culture of creativity among smartwatch users. In addition, Facer supports various smartwatch brands, making it compatible with many Android-based devices, including Samsung Galaxy Watches and Wear OS products. With its rich selection, community-driven features, and extensive customization options, Facer Watch Faces significantly enhances the functionality and aesthetic of smartwatches, making it a favorite choice among wearable tech enthusiasts and anyone looking to add a personal touch to their devices.